Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the server so files won't change under your hands. Make a quick backup of /garrismod/ and server. CFG, this prevents rollback headaches later. Once done, connect via FTP, SFTP, or your host control panel and navigate to /garrismod/addons. Note the difference between standard GMA add-ons and Steam Workshop items stored separately. This matters because Workshop content may auto-update unless removed at the Workshop ID level. You now delete the targeted GMA files and any extracted add-on folders. Make sure to remove the corresponding Workshop ID folders too if the add-on came from Steam Workshop. While deleting, inspect add-on, JSON or add-on, TXT for dependencies so you don't break other mods. If you're using SSH, run removal commands with proper permissions. If using FTP, ensure the client shows correct ownership. Once removed, clear the GCF cache or Workshop cache to avoid stale content being served. You should restart the server and watch the console for missing file or Lua errors. Those messages tell you what still references the deleted add-on. Once restarted, join the server and test the specific maps, entities, or game mode features that were impacted to confirm removal. If clients still download removed content, clear both server and client Workshop caches. If something breaks, restore the backup immediately, then remove add-ons one at a time to find the conflict. This targeted approach speeds troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.